Okay, this video was from 4 years ago when I lived in a completely different house. I never noticed this sound until today, but I was just taking a video of my cat when he was a kitten. As you can see, he's very, very young in this video. But at the beginning, you can hear a very loud, disembodied screaming or yelling or wailing and at the very beginning. And it just sounds really, really weird to me. At first, I thought it might have been the TV on in the background, but if you listen after that, it's just dead silent and you don't hear anything else. So I thought that was really strange. And I don't know. Just listen and let me know what you think, because I think it sounds super, super strange.